As a host, you're going to want to click Share Screen, Whiteboard, and then Share again. Then your options come up. You can actually show the names of the annotators if you want to allow students to also engage and interact. Here I'm writing 1 + 1 = 2, and again I went to the draw function. Now I'm erasing, I'm going back to the draw function. You can spotlight to highlight your work. And you have stamps that you can play with. The undo function is great. And now a participant is going to add to the whiteboard. You'll see in just a minute. Here you go. So if you want to know who's doing the writing, it's great to know who, but you can also, again, hide the name of the annotators. You can add text to further interact. Go back to your normal select function to highlight what you want, and then you can select the highlighting function, the highlighter, in the draw section if you want to highlight text as well, so you can see through what you already did. Again, that was the highlighter function, and you can also have different clear options. Now we have the participants view. You're going to go to View Options, then Annotate. Then they will be able to see all the different draw functions that you saw for the most part. You can choose different colors, different size of the pens. The same undo functions as necessary. An erase function. And then this is the highlighter function under the draw. You have the undo, redo, and clear, just as you would a host, and also the text box. The mouse just gets you back to your normal selection. And you also have the stamps to play with. And to be able to clear the screen and use the stamp. On an iPad, you're going to click that bottom left pen to get to your normal functions. You can change the color and use text as you normally would. And then here's a little bit of a clearer picture of all your different options. You can erase, and then as you can see, you can still change the color and the size of your pen. And then make sure you can erase and undo just as you normally would. Hope this helps. Thanks.